April 26, 2025. A day Iran will never forget. Shahid Rajaee Port, its busiest gateway to the world, shattered by a massive explosion. Improperly stored industrial chemicals triggered a blast so powerful, it flattened buildings and created craters 50 meters wide. Over 70 lives lost, more than 1,200 injured, and millions in infrastructure destroyed within seconds. Fires raged for 48 hours. A disaster fueled by neglect and poor safety protocols. This tragedy is a brutal reminder: safety must never be an afterthought. Our hearts go out to every victim and hero who stood strong.